In this short and basic video, I'm gonna show you how to insert rectangle with text in Microsoft Word. So click on insert, then shape. Select this first one, rectangle, and draw here. Just select it and you can change color, style, and you can give the more effect. You can change outline. So these all options, so once you double click on it, so this shape property will be open here. You can change shape from here. And you can give the any style for this shape. So thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you.